Hey, how's it going? And today I'm just having fun in LightWave. I'll tell you what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a robot that doesn't speak with moving lips, but rather speaks with a light source. And I think that's just going to be a lot easier for what I'm trying to do. I've seen movies with robots that talk like that, where they don't have a moving mouth, but there's a light that matches their voice. So that's what I'm trying to do here in LightWave today. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but I'll just show you kind of what it looks like. This is just a mock-up of what I'm trying to do. Today is create this animated running robot. What I do today is create this animated running robot. To get started on this, I'll show you what I did is I just have a box with a point light in there, and that's it. That's all it is, a box and a point light. And you can use any different, and it looks like that. And then what you got to do is you've got to go into the scene editor and you can go to audio. I have audio in there. I'm just going to clear that to show you. So if I go into my video editing software, this is the audio, just the audio portion of a tutorial I did. The one thing I realized is that you have to render out a WAV file. So in Vegas Pro, you've got an option of different renderings. I tried to do this 24-bit and it didn't work. So it looks like it has to be a dot wave file, an audio wave file, no more than 16 bits. This is a 44,000 hertz, kilohertz, 44 kilohertz, I guess, and it's 16-bit. So that's what I rendered my audio out as. And I just rendered out like a short little clip of it. So then if I jump back into LightWave and you go into the scene editor, if you come down here to audio, you can go load audio, and here's the audio right there. So I go open, and as soon as I do, it comes up down here on the timeline, right? So I've done this already. It's working right now. I'll show you how you clear the graph editor. I've got my audio loaded in. The other thing is you've got to make sure audio scrubbing is on. So now if I close this, I don't need this anymore. If I go into properties under lights on my point light, I already have the graph editor loaded. To clear it, you hit shift and just click on the envelope, and it clears out your graph. So now if I go into the graph editor, you hit A, it puts the audio file into the background. I think they call it, I don't know if they call that a footprint, I'm not sure. One of the problems that I'm going to have is the scaling here, because I really need this to be at 0. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on this and click on that first keyframe, and we're just see it's at the value of 4, which is too high. We want to just be at 0, so I zero it out. And now if I hit A again, I'm on 0, and then you can see the audio waveform in the background. So all you have to do is come over here and just, let's see, I'm clicking with left clicking and pulling down, and I'm rescaling it here. See that over here? So that 0, the light's not on at all, and 6, it's pretty bright. So then this is the fun part. All you got to do is come over here where it says the keyframe, and I'm just doing this real quick and dirty. I could be more precise. So this is 120 frames right here. Look how fast I can do this. I'm just really going rough. I could do this a lot more cleaner, I guess, if I wanted to. But I'm just generally outlining the audio waveform file, just like this. Just the highs and the lows, kind of the peaks and the valleys of it, so that the light generally fluctuates in time with the audio, and that's all I'm trying to do. I'm not going to try to put a mouth on the robot or anything like that, which I think actually would be weird. So all I have to do now is just do this, and the audio should be pretty well matched. So let's go back and take a look at it, and you can see the keyframes that I put in there. Today is create this animated running robot. What I do today is create this animated running robot. So anyway, that's all I had today. I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and a good weekend. I'll talk to you next time.